Have something here, and guys, please do not laugh in this example. This is my self made example that I'm going to share, and I am talking on this example first time. I have created this example only by looking this mirror. Okay, so this is a small mirror. This is available here, so that is why I have taken this mirror. Okay, so this is a mirror, and I am going to tell you the difference between practice and direction. We do practice every day, but it is really very important to know our direction. Are we doing our practice in right direction or not? If we are not doing our practice in right direction, so it does not matter how much efforts we are putting in a day, in an hour, it does not matter. But if we are doing efforts a little bit but in right direction, that is, guys, how are you all? I hope that all will be doing great and some interesting work for their life. So without any further delay, let's talk about my today's topic. What is my today's topic? So this is not any topic, this is a confusion of all the learner. Yesterday I was talking with a girl. She is an English learner. She is in beginning level, so recently they have started their journey. So they asked me that, see, that girl was asking to me that, ma'am, recently I have started my journey. So should I focus on grammar or should I focus on speaking practice? So that girl asked to me this question, and I replied their questions answer, and I'm going to share my answer with all of you. Okay, so if you find yourself between these two confused, and that you should focus on grammar or you should focus on speaking, so this video is for you, because in this era, in this time, in this generation, people are very eager to learn English language. They are eagerly learning English language, but they do not do practice in right direction. So first of all, let me clear that what is the connection between practice and right direction. So this is the first thing that I want to clear, and after that I will talk about should we focus on grammar or guys not. If I talk about practice or direction, means practice is something that can be done by anyone, but direction must be given by our practice. Are you getting my point? Practice is something that can be done by anyone, and direction must be given by our practice. Let me tell you an example. I have something here, and guys, please do not laugh in this example. This is my self-made example that I'm going to share, and I am talking on this example first time. I have created this example only by looking this mirror. Okay, so this is a small mirror. This is available here, so that is why I have taken this mirror. Okay, so this is a mirror, and I am going to tell you the difference between practice and direction. We do practice every day, but it is really very important to know our direction. Are we doing our practice in right direction or not? If we are not doing our practice in right direction, so it does not matter how much efforts we are putting in a day, in an hour, it does not matter. But if we are doing efforts a little bit but in right direction, that is very useful. And I'm going to tell you how can we make our direction in correct way, how can we do our practice in correct way. So this is a small mirror. I hope that you are able to look this mirror. So this is a small mirror, and guys, if I want to look at myself, so can I do like this? Can I look myself by using this side of mirror? Can I look myself in this mirror? So I'm trying to look myself in this mirror again and again. I'm trying to look myself, but still I'm not finding myself in this mirror. Still I'm unable to look myself in this mirror. Why? I'm trying to look myself every day, but why am I not able? Are you getting something from this example? Because this direction is not correct way of practicing. This direction, this is not the way where I could look myself. This is not that side. Okay, this is back side, and this is not the right direction of looking someone face in the mirror. This is not the right side. If I want to look myself, so I will have to, so if I want to look myself, so I will have to change my direction in this way, right? In this way I will be able to look at myself. I hope that you are able to look at my mobile. I think you are able to look my mobile. So I will I will find myself in this mirror. If I do practice by for looking myself in this mirror, so I will have to use this mirror like this. Okay, so in the same way you will have to practice every day, but not in wrong direction. If your direction is wrong, so it does not matter how much efforts you are putting in a day, in an hour, it does not matter, you will not get anything. Trust me, you will not get anything. Just like this mirror, I was trying to look myself in this side, and I was just keep trying, and I'm keep trying to look at myself. So see, am I there? Am I there? Am I able to find myself in this mirror, in this side? No, not at all. I will have to change my direction like this. If I, if in this side, if I try to look myself, so easily I can look, I will find my face in this mirror if I use this right direction. So you will have to do like this. You will have to use your mirror in right direction, right? It is really very and very important to identify our direction. We are learning English language, and it is not all about learning English language. It exists in our all work. Identify your direction. If you are putting efforts every day in wrong direction, you will not get anything. Trust me, you're just wasting your time. So if you are not getting anything, so change your direction, just like this mirror that I have show you. Okay, so this was the difference between practice and direction. Practice can be done by anyone. If I am looking myself in this side, in the back side of mirror, means I'm doing my practice for looking myself in this mirror. It can be done by anyone. But for looking myself in this side, I must have knowledge how to use mirror. I must have knowledge about direction. I must have knowledge of mirror. Okay, so this was the difference between direction and practice. I hope that you have understood these things very clearly. And if I talk about should I learn grammar or not, this is the question of all beginner. When they start their journey, they find themselves in these two situations, that they should focus on grammar first, they should focus on speaking first. So let me tell you guys, if you want to speak correct English, and definitely you want to speak correct English, that is why you have started your journey. So, without knowing the base of any language, can you speak fluent or can you speak correct English? English is not all about fluency, it is all about correction, it is all about perfection. Okay, so if you are in beginning level, so I will suggest you focus on grammar, because when I started my journey in my beginning days, I was just focusing on speaking, on learning I was focusing, but I didn't try to learn any grammar rules. Because of that, I make mistakes, still I make mistakes sometimes. It is happening only because of not having knowledge about grammar. Okay, so if you want to speak correct English with perfection, so you will have to focus on grammar. If you do not focus, if you focus only on speaking in your from your beginning level, so you will be habitual for making that mistake again and again. And when you will find yourself in intermediate or in an advanced level, you will make that same mistake. It is not use of learning English language. Okay, so learn English in correct way, do practice and right direction, and this is the thing, it will help you a lot. Okay, so please do your practice but in right direction, and focus on grammar so that you could speak correct English. English is not all about fluency is something that can be spoken by anyone. Fluency We speak our mother tongue very fluent, but with full of mistakes. Even we do not understand. And suppose that in Chhattisgarh, mostly people make mistake while speaking in Hindi. Okay, वी स्पीक जैसे कि मुझे कहना पड़े गाड़ी गाड़ी जा रही है, ऑब्वियसली आई विल से गाड़ी जा रही है, बट इन मेल पर्सन, बट वाई पर्सन, दे ऑलवेज से दैट गाड़ी जा रहा है, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर जेंडर दे थिंक दैट आई एम मेल जेंडर, सो आई विल यूज गाड़ी जा रहा है, आम पक रहा है, और फिल्म अच्छा था. So this is not the way. We should not speak any language by comparing our gender. It is not all about our gender. It is all about our words gender. Try to understand, but in Chhattisgarh, mostly people make this mistake. I have felt these things because of these. Mostly people, they do not know Hindi also. Okay, this kind of minor mistake we make. I am talking about also myself. I also make sometime mistake in Hindi language also, because of being habitual by using this kind of environment, by living in this kind of environment. Find myself in this environment. I make mistake also because of not having grammar knowledge, because of not having vyakaran knowledge in Hindi language. So in English also, English, it does not matter about gender, but it is matter about our grammatical knowledge. Okay, so please learn grammar rules so that you could not make any mistake in your future. And guys, this was the thing that I wanted to share, and I hope that you have learned something from this video. I put it my efforts from my heart, and it's your turn to give me back. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that I could make this kind of video again. And I am always here for helping you. If you have any question for me, so please do ask me. I will help you. And guys, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep focusing. Have a nice day. Bye bye.